In this section 2.7, I will explain about the formatting. So formatting is another important part of any visuals representations. Normally, whatever value we drag and drop, that shows the default formatting. If you talk about formatting, for there is no fixed rule for the formatting. It varies from the client to client, projects, how they want. There are some certain rules also. So we have to follow those rules. But here, okay, we'll see what are the different options. So let's explore. First, we can see this is the stack column chart here. First change it to the stack bar chart. So now this is the sales by region and category stack bar chart here. So we'll see what are the formatting option. So go to this format to your visuals. So we'll see. First visual we'll see the y-axis. So what are the formatting options for the y-axis value here. Now you see first font and size, bold, color. We can change all those things here. So let's try. Consolas. Instead of 9, I want 12. Make it bold or italic. After that, color, we'll give any dark color here. Normally, for any letters, text, and all, we prefer the dark color. Normally, in the most of the project, people give black color, but here we'll see various options. Here, this is the value here. After the title, this we can see. This is the auto-generated title. We can change this title. Region name. After that we can change that font also. Let's try another font. Bold or italic, we can change it. Now we'll see the what are the x-axis formatting options here. Now here the what are the various value. Here we can see 0.0 m, 0.2 m, 0.4 m. So like see, we can change those value as well. Like first we'll change the font Calibri 12, bold or italic. Suppose we want instead of black, we'll give the dark blue color. After the display unit, here it is showing M means million. If you want, we can change it to the kilo, 1000. So we can say value are reflected 200k, 400k, like that. Value decimal places. In case of decimal value, we can change. Okay, after decimal, how many places we want. Suppose we want 2 places, so after decimal, it will show 2 places. So in the legend options, we positions top to left. So what are the position we want? We can select here. Suppose we want top right, so this thing we can move it here, or we can move center left, so it will reflect here. Top left, top center, so it from left it will display as a center here. Now text, so we can change this text option also. 12, bold or italic, whatever you. So we can make those changes. Also this is title text. We can change category name. So we can make those changes here. Now data label on off. So these are the zooming option, we can do it. Now bars. See here we can change the bar color as well. Suppose here it is light blue. We don't want, we can make another color like this. So we can make those changes. For office supply we want light blue, a light yellow color. For technology, instead of orange, I want light blue color. So we can make those changes as well. Now data label. Suppose we want to give the value here, so we can make those things. So the sales value for each region and category reflecting here. Now we want to suppose make totals value here, so we can make those things also. Now those things are reflecting here. Now come to the general formatting options. Now title, suppose you want to make the title change here, so we can do it. This is property, so make title here sales by region and category. So we can make region and category sales analysis. Region and category sales report, whatever name we want, we can give it. Now we want central, background color we want, we can change, text color we want, we can change it here. 18, we can make those changes as well. Now the effect, background color if we want, we can change it. So visual borders, we can make the borders here. Shadow option, we can do it, we can see the shadow option here. So like that, there are various options for the formatting. The thing is we have to explore, and we always remember, always client give preference to the light color, not so dark color always, so that should look awkward or kind of things and all. So anyway, for any project and all, their formatting rule is fixed. We have to follow that rule. So this is all about the formatting option for the bar and column chart.